Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More, and today I'm going to share with you 7 high protein Indian foods that beat protein powder. Yes, in this video I'll share with you 7 superfoods that can actually beat your protein powder in the protein content, and they are very easily available in the Indian markets locally, and of course give you good weight loss as well, and of course they are protein rich in every component possible. Now recently my lots of clients asked me for such a protein source where they do not have to have their protein powder and still get their protein content of the entire day, and this is what I gave them in their diet plan, and you can see the magic happening. Yes, the transformations have been crazily well, and of course if you want your personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or if you go to the description box below, you see a link down there. Click the link and you will reach out to me on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So let's start with 7 high protein Indian foods that can replace or that can beat your protein powder.
The first food that basically can transform your entire weight loss journey when it comes to your protein content is soya chunks. 50 grams of dry soya chunks contain near about 25 grams of protein. The protein content is extremely high protein for the calorie intake also. So you can definitely try these recipes that I already shared on my channel, which is basically a soya tikki or kebab recipe, which includes good amount of protein intake. At the same time, I've also shared lots and lots of recipes for soya chunks. Then you can prepare with great amount of protein content and see the magic of weight loss happening. Second option is paneer. Of course, paneer is definitely high in protein, but how I prepare paneer is in the form of paneer bhurji, or of course in the form of paneer tikka, but great for weight loss. 100 grams of paneer contains near about 20 grams of protein. So yes, the protein content is super high, great vegetarian option. Choose a lower fat version with calories to be taken care in these. And if you take near about 200 grams of protein in one serving, then you can definitely consume near about 40 grams of protein in just one meal of yours. Greek yogurt is the third option, or hunkered. Greek yogurt, if it's not available easily at your place, then you can always prepare hunkered. 100 grams of hunkered or protein intake contains near about 10 grams of protein. If you take 300 grams of Greek yogurt or hunkered in the entire day, which is basically 100 grams of hunkered or Greek yogurt with every meal, it gives you almost 30 grams of protein. This shocks everybody out there, but Greek yogurt can definitely replace your protein powder. Protein also, calcium also, and very versatile. Fourth option is definitely great for snacking and great for constipation also. I'm talking about roasted chana. Yes, 100 grams of roasted chana can give you near about 20 grams of protein. Cheap, portable, and much better than any reaching out for biscuits or namkeens. Have roasted chana, avoid the salt in that, but definitely 100 grams can give you good amount of protein intake and replace your protein powder scoop without any doubt. The next option is basically loved by all of my clients because I share lots and lots of recipes with this, which is basically moong dal. 100 grams of cooked moong dal gives you almost 7 grams of protein. So I give them recipes which contain near about 200 grams of cooked moong dal. It can be moong dal idli, moong dal chila, or moong dal wrap. Trust me, my clients love having these recipes every single day, and they even replace their rotis with these recipes. So do try to have these options for your lunch meal or dinner meal, and to replace your protein scoop with this high protein natural source. So you can prepare moong dal idli, which contains near about 200 grams of moong dal, of course, which gives you 14 to 15 grams of protein. Moong dal chila again gives you near about 7 grams of protein in one chila. So you can have near about 2 to 3 chilas and help you with your protein source, and replace your protein powders with this. Next option is definitely locally sourced and available as well, and great for stir fries, bhurjis, or tikkas and curries. I am talking about tofu. Tofu, near about 100 grams of tofu contains 15 grams of protein. So prepare a bhurji with lots of vegetables and tofu of 200 grams of content, and near about give yourself a 30 grams of protein intake. See the magic of weight loss with these protein sources, and of course you will transform yourself completely. And the last option will shock you. Yes, chia seeds. 100 grams of chia seeds gives you near about 17 grams of protein. I like to give my clients chia pudding recipes every single day to see the weight loss happening and to give them good omega-3 fatty acids also, and of course protein source also. So you can have near about 100 to 200 grams of chia seeds in the pudding form and never know about it. Of course, the recipe is super simple and give yourself a boost of near about 25 grams or 28 grams of protein with this recipe. I've shared the complete recipe of chia pudding here. You can see on your screen and very easy to prepare as well. These 7 high protein sources can definitely beat your protein powder any day and see the magic of weight loss happening along with this. And if you want a customized and personalized protein source diet plan, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222. Or you can go to the description box below. You'll see a link down there. Click the link and you'll reach out on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. So if you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query on any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.